Alright, Chevelle fans, here's the latest Chevelle in it. Unique Specialty and Classics. 1972 Chevelle Malibu. Nice two-door hardtop car. Paint in this car, I'd call it a nice driver quality paint. It actually has got a nice luster, good shine to it. Good color on this car too. As you can see up front here also, it does have slotted and drilled rotors. If you can see that, so we got power brakes in this car, slotted and drilled rotors up front. Underneath the hood, Chevrolet 350 V8 that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also has, like I said, power brakes and power steering underneath there. Nice sounding car. Car sounds healthy. We'll get around to the other side, fire it up, let you take a listen to it. We'll pop the hood, check out underneath there. Again, I'd consider this a nice driver car. It'd be a fun one to take out. I'm sure it's plenty torquey after firing it up and listening to it when I moved it onto the pad here. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, you can see the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer questions you may have on this one. Underneath this video in the description, there's a link. You can click right on that. That'll take you right to our website too, so you can check it out. See, it's riding on American Racing polished wheels. Again, you can see the reflection at the paint. Nice gloss to it. This particular car, as far as the engine goes, I want a couple other things to touch on. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb underneath there also. Get back here to the rear end. It does have a 391 posi rear end in it. It has some aftermarket rear trailing arms. Upper adjustable. Stereo's been added to it also. It does have the horseshoe shifter and console, the bucket seats up front. Again, we'll kind of check that out as we get around to the interior and fire this up so you can hear it run. These stripes are painted on. It's not a vinyl or anything. This is painted. Feels as if they've been cleared over, so a nice look. Some SS badging back here. Dress it up a little bit. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. May also be eligible for an extended warranty. Feel free to discuss that with your sales associate that you're talking to about the car. Let's say the chrome and bright work. Again, what I would consider driver quality. You may come across some little pitting or little scratches on the chrome in the back here, but still very, very presentable. This car will turn heads. Going down the road, rolling into your local cruise-ins, car shows. I'm going to go ahead and pop the door here a second, and let's fire this thing up so you can hear it run. Let's check out the interior. Alright, so we got black interior on this one. Carpeting, everything in nice shape. I did notice vinyl showed a little bit of wear in a spot here. Other than that, overall pretty darn nice. Buckets up front. Check out the headliner there, see an idea of that. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Did notice we do have a couple aftermarket gauges underneath here as far as oil pressure, tachometer, and water temp. They're warm up here just a tad bit. As I said, very healthy sounding car. Nice idle, a little load to it. Slip around to the back, you're going to hear this. Close that door. check out that engine bay. Alright, here you go, hood pop. Nice dressed up engine bay. Again, 350 Chevy. That's paired with a turbo 350. So we got headers on it, power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock chrome valve covers. Again, Edelbrock intake, carb. Great sounding, smooth running engine. Alright. There you go, 1972 Chevrolet Malibu. 350 underneath the hood. Automatic bucket seat car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trade financing is available. And of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at.